Hey, what's going on? Stefan checking in, man. I just figured out something that everybody might want to just check out and just know. So if you're dealing with a lot of channels, man, let's just use USB audio. So right now, this is kind of acting how a computer would act or a DAW would act. So right now, I'm not really using this snake. So really, I'm sending all of my audio through USB out to this board, because this board is a USB audio interface, and all of these channels are recordable. You know what I'm saying? So they all can record individually, and they all have their own individual output. And I can access the individual outputs on that board through here. It's really dope. So right now I'm on output 1 and 2. I can change this though to output 21 and 22, which will be here. You know, so it's a very efficient way, man. It really cuts down on your cord and cable costs. So man, this is the future, man. I'm loving it, or maybe the right now, I should say. Thanks to everybody who put me onto this. I would say if you are going to try this, update to the newest firmware on the MPC Live. And then also, I will always try to keep the Tascam up to date. But yeah, man, the Tascam's been holding up for me pretty good. It's probably been maybe 2 years now. It's okay. I really don't do too much like mixing and stuff. I might start doing it more. I will try to make sure or just double check to see if they have DAW control on this, because I kind of thought this was gonna come with that back when I bought it years ago, and I quickly found out that that wasn't the case, and everybody's been asking me, so I don't know. If they keep making updates, this motherfucker might have it, you know, who knows. But yeah, I'm still here, man. I still got the Model 24. I'm really getting back into the MPC Live again, and just kind of, you know, just getting back into the tactile way of making beats instead of kind of playing it through the keyboard and adjusting it on the computer. So, but yeah, just me. Yeah, man. We out. Peace.